Have you ever wanted to save kids' artwork or important papers but didn't want to buy a laminator? Then this is just for you. Today I'm going to show you a simple DIY laminating hack using something you already have at home, Ziploc storage bags or sandwich bags. It sounds a little bit crazy, but it actually works. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to preserve those drawings, those keepsakes, and documents in just a few minutes. You're going to put one piece of parchment paper down on top of the tea towel, and then you're going to take your your colored picture, and a Ziploc bag. Now, my Ziploc bags, I only had the ones with the writing on the back, but I actually don't mind this because after you laminate this, you could write the child's name or whoever did the picture for you and the date, and then you have a memory of that. So the first thing that we're going to do is put this picture right in that baggie and just push it right down to the bottom, right tight in that corner, and tuck it right up in there tight. And then you're going to take your scissors and just cut and leave a little bit of an edge around the photo or the picture and trim it off. Okay. Now, the next thing we're going to do, make sure it's not slipping around in there, that it's up nice and tight, and you've got a little bit of extra around the edges. You're going to take another piece of parchment paper, lay it on top. I'm going to get my easy press, and I'm just going to set it down. You don't want to move it because you don't want that picture to move around in that plastic bag. So I'm going to leave it for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to move it down to the very end because it didn't quite go all the way down to the end of the picture. Okay, now we want to flip the whole thing over. And this was a double-sided picture in this coloring book. So we're going to take that easy press again and press from the back side. And now it's melted, so you can move that easy press up and down. Make sure that plastic is melted right onto that coloring page really well. Okay. We're just going to set it aside and let it cool down. This is completely cooled off now, and you're just going to peel away that parchment paper. You're left with a coloring page that's laminated. Now what I like to do is I just like to take the scissors and just kind of trim up around the edges, make it look nice. And this one's going to go on my fridge. I'm going to put it on my fridge with a little magnet, and I think it's going to look really cute. And there you have a laminated piece of artwork that's now protected, and you're gonna have it forever. It's more rigid and it works really great. You need to try. If this video has helped you, give it a thumbs up. It really helps more people find projects like this. And if you try this laminating hack at home, let me know in the comments, and I'd love to hear how it worked out for you. If you love this video, you're gonna love the next video even more. Click here and let's keep crafting together.